Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a body part tracker. So first you're going to get just a random one. By the way, if you want it, here I'll get like a object here. If you want to make it like platforms, you can make it can grab. It'll give you like platforms, but I recommend passable if you want it just be like a holdable. So then you're gonna get your code block. Gonna go to edit connections. You're gonna connect it to this. Then it should say that. You're gonna add. Now you're gonna put in X, Y, and Z. These are all the positions and the rotations. Scale isn't very useful, so by the way, you can rename this to whatever you want. I'll just name it cube. Okay, and then you're gonna once you're done with all your positions and rotations, you click OK. Oh, we already been there. Go to player, edit, select index, select ID, select part and control. Then you're gonna input the positions or rotations that you outputted or some. You can do that. Then you're gonna find local ID, input that. That's all. And click OK. Click and cancel will just start it over, and you have to input all those again. Now you're gonna go back, edit program. Now you're gonna go to label. I named this loop. You can name it whatever you want. Then you're gonna do 4 sets. 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna. This is gonna be player cell index. It's gonna stay the same. This one, player cell ID. Now this one, you probably think I'm gonna do select part. Wrong. I'm gonna do control, so I'm gonna skip one. And then I do select part on this one. So it should look like this. This should be the side. Now, almost all of these ones will be player location ID. But this last one will be constant. Now, this means any body part, so like any limb. So let's go to the rules, go to code blocks, players. This is where the stuff are. So 0 equals head. So if you type in 0, this will follow the head. This will track the head. If you select 1, it tracks your torso. Number 2 tracks those rings on your feet. 3 is your left hand, follows your left hand. 4 follows your right hand. There's a lot more where that came from, but now you can do any of those. I'm gonna do right hand, so you're gonna type in 400, and don't forget the double zeros, because it's gonna look like this. You don't want that. So 400. It's gonna sound like a 500, but it's gonna apply, not cancel. Next, you're going to put in 6 sets. 6. Now you're going to do XY. So cube is this cube's name. This I named. Remember from last time where I kind of named this cube. Well, that's what it is. These are the positions. These are the rotations of it. So you're gonna first start with X, Y, and Z. You're gonna make sure that they're in the correct ones. So position X, position Y, and position Z. Now we're going to move on to the rotations. So you're going to click player selection index. Then you're going to go to the rotations. So rot X, rot Y, and rot Z. Now it should look like this. Cube position X, cube position Y, cube position Z. So those are gonna track the positions, but not the rotations. Rotations track the rotations, like you can like turn and stuff but not move. And with these positions and rotations combined, you can like move it around and rotate it. So that's what it does. X, Y, and Z. I don't know if any of y'all heard of the X, Y, and Z axis. It's this thing where there's like, think of it like a three-dimensional thing. Now, I'm not gonna go over it, but X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Then this one, it'll say player, which is you, the player, that is going to be moving this around with this specific limb you selected from constant. So you're going to do the same thing, but instead of it saying cube, it's going to say player. So make sure it says player. This one is cube, so this one is the cube, and this side is the player. So X, Y, and Z. That's gonna kind of rotate it on my body. Now, for rotation, rot X, okay, this one, rot Y, rot Z. Then, this is the final thing you do. You click go to, or you can just drag it over here. I don't care. You can just click it or drag it. I drag it, but that's the last thing. It just automatically goes to your label name. So once you're done, you can do that, and then you're gonna click run and start active, and voila, you're following. Oh, it's delayed. It's delayed. Oh no. No worries. You just click after player. Boom. It's not delayed. Oh, it's kind of broken for me. Here, let me fix it. Edit program. I gotta. If it gets all wonky like that, you can check and make sure you did something right. Position X, position Y, position Z, rotation X, rotation Y, rotation Z. So player position X, player position Y, player position Z. Okay? Player position, player rotation X. Wait a minute. I see what I did wrong here. So this side's supposed to be player, not cube. I accidentally put cube instead of player. These are supposed to go over here. So these are supposed to be saying player. So that's what I did wrong. You're gonna make sure you did it right. Go all the way up to player. Make sure it says player. Check again if you need to. And then, now it should be fixed. Once you look at that. An actual working following cube. And you can even go into the group. You probably know how to go into groups. You just select the block. You point the joystick upwards, and then you click while it's pointing upwards. And you can just kind of mess around with it and stuff. So I can like make it look like I'm holding something. Hold on. Now it looks like I'm holding something. Now, let's put it back to the cube. To that classic cube. Oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Now, you can, if you want it to like, so if you want it to follow a different limb, it's very easy. You go all the way to this constant and you change the number. But if you forget which is which, you can always go to rules, code blocks, players, and you find this section. So, yeah. So, 0 means head. So you type in or you just keep it in 0. 1 equals body, so 100. You type in 100 or 100. Number 2 equals feet, so you type in 200. And then you need to make sure that you have the double zeros after the number after the number you typed. So that is how you make a tracking. Now, I actually watched a tutorial on this, and some kid named the label Loop, so I used his label name. Yeah, I forgot his name, but thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for like more grab content and stuff. I'll also post more TikToks as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.